Euan, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. I'm Sudanti, the Director of Marketing here. How was the day been for you?
Been a busy day. A lot of miles covered, a lot of great vendors to see, a lot of interesting technology. So it's been a good day, successful day.
Oh wow! And I've been hearing a lot about Serve Robotics.
Yep.
So what is the next game plan for Serve?
Scale for us. Really trying to get more robots out in the field, open up more cities. Scaling is what we're aiming for 2025.
Oh, great. So we have Econ's cameras inside this robot. So how is it working with Econ?
So far, so good. We're having a great time with implementing just the full camera solution for us. The GMSL interface with the automotive-grade requirements really kind of give us a solution straight out of the box with working with you guys. So it's been a huge help. I'm really excited about the work we're doing and how this is going to scale in the future.
Yeah, we are also very happy to work with you. Thank you
very
so
much.
much.
Thank you very
All
much.
the best.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.